Here I had a Volkswagen Tiguan, like a 2017, 2018. Um, I totally forgot, but one of like the newer ones. But I had this weird code C114512 button lamp for electrical parking brake. Um, and it actually turned on an ABS light for the customer here. I think it was ABS or brake light, but basically the light here on this little switch wasn't working anymore. And when you turn it, when you set the parking brake, it's supposed to turn on like an orange light, I think. The parking brake was working, but the light wasn't working. It wasn't coming on. And when you turn on your parking switch, what's supposed to happen is that light's supposed to turn on, that orange light, to tell you that your parking brake is on. And then when you turn it off, take off your parking brake, the light will turn off. And on, I think it depends on the model, but this one is orange. Some of them might be red, I believe. But the customer didn't want to do it. But I think there is a part. I'm not going to show any part numbers because every car is a little different, but there is a way to replace just a switch. So if you have this code and you have your ABS light, you could probably just get the switch replaced, and that's about it. So hopefully this helps you out.